Bro, people charge you for the information that I'm about to give you, so make sure you watch to the end. And how I know is because I bought a $500 dropshipping course that I'm about to condense down into one short video for you. Now, the very first thing you need when you want to dropship is an online store. Now, Shopify is usually the standard, but let's keep it real, bro. You do not have to use Shopify. Shopify does cost money. There are several free and even way less costly ways to do an online website these days. Now, most people get caught up in the bells and whistles of having one of those paid type of websites. However, you do not need it. As long as your marketing and product are both fire, then bro, you can succeed as a drop shipper. Let me go ahead and drop the ceremonial drop shipping infographic in front of you right now. Now, let's go ahead and talk about products, right? What I learned from this course is that it's 70% how you market it and only 30% of the actual product being fire itself. And when I say marketing, I mean branding, presentation, reputation. All that goes into one jar when it comes to marketing. And a prime example of that is how we can have two shirts, right? One can be blank and maybe be worth $15, and then the other one can have a Supreme box logo on it and be worth $1,000. So I'm not saying you necessarily even have to create the next Supreme, but that's just a prime example of how if you can market, you can take something so invaluable and make it so valuable. All right, now let's talk about what to consider when we're looking. First, you need to start thinking about which products you can make a lot of content around, right? What products do you use? What products could you create mad memes with? Can a lot of people relate to this product? Even better, is there a product out there that can solve problems for people? For instance, in the sneaker world, there's a product called Force Fields, right? And what that product does is solve a nightmare that sneakerheads had from the beginning of time, bro. And that's when you wear your shoes a lot, they start to crease. So this product actually solves that by providing a barrier to where your shoes do not crease when you wear them. Now, if you had gotten a hold of this product way before it was readily available in most malls, most sneaker shops, then you could have made a fortune drop shipping that product. And hopefully even that is an example of how you could take something so inexpensive, and because it's a product that makes sense for people, that solves a problem for people, it has the ability to go up. Now let's jump on the computer and talk about how to actually find products. All right, so the very first thing that we're gonna do, the very first thing that I was taught, everybody knows at this point, TikTok pretty much rules the world, bro. So we're gonna unlock a resource that I did not know existed, and it's called TikTok Trend Discovery. Right now, TikTok is giving us a cheat code by even having this information available to us, right? So when you come in this site, bro, it's obvious what's going on. You're gonna browse what's trending in the United States. You can change the country, but we're looking for products, right? We're not just looking for trending videos. So we're gonna come over here to this hamburger menu, and we're gonna go to campaign inspiration, and we want the top ads dashboard. All right, now these are literally just the top ads on TikToks, the most viral ones, the most well-performing ones, right? So we're gonna search by industry, right? And I'm gonna use a industry that I'm familiar with, right? So I'm gonna try to find the sneaker game right now. So keep in mind the beauty niche, tech, pets, kids, gifts, photography, fitness, all those type of things are what goes the most on TikTok, right? But I'm gonna try to go into a niche, go into a product that I know a little something about, and that's sneakers, right? So we're gonna try to find men's shoes, right? And so boom, go ahead and hit the search, and you're gonna look through these, right? See all these different products, right? Like I see these dang shark slippers everywhere.
49 Cloud Shark Slides. Our Cloud Shark Slides are only $6.49 today.
Boom, here's the shark slides again. It has become clear that as far as with men's shoes, the hottest drop shipping item right now is definitely these shark shoes right now. And I'm gonna blow it up for y'all so y'all can see it. Okay, so these things, like I said, these things are going crazy, right? This summer, these are obviously the ones that are the most popular. Right now, there's another product on here I actually own one of these, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk just some drop shipping talk with you briefly. All right, now I have one of these. If you've seen my earlier videos, then you know
insane. Fragile handle.
then you know that I have one of these, right? Here's the thing with a product like this. This is extremely cool, and you're gonna turn heads with a product like this. People are gonna stare and wonder, how is that shoe levitating? But the only drawback is gonna be the price. All right, it's like I'm gonna search for it just to show you, but that's just something you got to consider. It's gonna cost $100 even from your manufacturer to get one of these, right? So in order for you to make some money, you're gonna go ahead and have to mark these up really high, which is gonna kind of limit your customer base, because keeping it real, especially in a time like right now, not everybody's got 170 to 200 to drop on one of these. All right, so now that we know we're gonna choose these shark slides, we're gonna go ahead and check out a couple places to find our supplier, right? So the first place I'm gonna go is AliExpress. All right, now this is generally known as the hotbed, the leader for dropshipping products. However, there are some other ones that we are gonna check out. All right, so we're gonna type in shark slippers, right? They're right here, and the prices vary, right? So what I'm gonna do first is just see if these are trending. All right, so we're on the top ranking page. We're gonna go to men's clothing. Okay, shoes and bags. Okay, so we got similar, we got these bubble slides, and then boom, here we go. These are top selling. So that's another indication that, hey, these slides are popular, right? These slides will sell if you have the right marketing pitch. All right, so let's just hit Google, and we're gonna go to Shark Pumps, my Shark Pumps, right? So this is pretty cool, right? This store, I can already tell you, looks like a drop shipping store, but it kind of looks like they're doing what I kind of suggested, which is include that they're for kids, kind of market them family friendly. And you see here, oh, they even have these boots, bro. This is all pretty nice stuff, right? And so what do these slides go for? Okay, the adults go for $29.99. and the kids go for $29.99 as well. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and make a logo. Now, last video I actually showed y'all how to make a logo in Illustrator, but I understand, look bro, everybody's not a professional graphic designer, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a free resource to do it, right? And I'm gonna use something called Canva, right? This is a free graphic design resource that I've known about forever. Okay, now we are in Canva, and we just want to simply make a logo, right? So let's go over here to templates. Oh, and I like something like this, something fun, something like this, right? So we haven't even really thought of a name. I've seen people use like business name generators. So you know what? I'm typically against that, but we'll do it, right? Business name generator, get a business name. We're gonna do shark and then shoes. Let's see what it gives us back. Oh, okay. Shark Deck, Dawn Shoes Line, Active Shark Parade Shoes, Nation Shark, Groove Shark. All right, you know what? We're gonna use Modest Shark, and I don't even know what modish means, but we're gonna use it anyway. Okay, and then we're gonna delete that, and let's see if we got like a shark, a cute shark we can put on this logo. These sharks are too evil. We want a cute shark. We want something. Okay, boom, here we go. Delete this background. We're gonna do fun colors. We're not gonna do brown. So to change the color, I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna do red and green. Boom, modest shark, right? All right, now it's time to download it as a PNG. Boom, and we just made our first logo, all right? So next, we're gonna go ahead and build our free dropshipping store, all right? So I'm sure if you've ever watched YouTube, then you've seen Wix, right? Because at one point, it's like they had like 30 ads per video. You can even go to Google and type Wix dropshipping stores, and it's gonna bring you to a link like this, right? You can start with ready to sell products from thousands from suppliers, or you can select your own products, right? I'm gonna start with this because I wanna design my own store and put my own thing on there. And I'm gonna pick something basic, right? I'm gonna pick, boom, the first one. I'm gonna pick select. I'm gonna call this Modish Shark, and we're gonna go ahead and build this. All right, now we are here to edit our website, and it is actually pretty simple. All right, now first off, I want to tell you this actually does not look bad as far as just this nice clean sans serif font. However, we made a logo, we're gonna use a logo, right? But that's part of the brand colors of our logo. Just sit in there more, but boom, we have our logo in there, right? We're gonna, just for the sake of this video, we're gonna use some copy from this site. And when I say copy, I mean like words, right? So we're gonna boom, comfortable, trending, and durable. Keep in mind, it's best to come up with your own voice, your own sort of style. But once again, for the sake of this video, we're gonna go ahead and just copy some of the text, right? So modest shark, we'll even put that. We're gonna change this background image, right? So we're gonna come over here to Alibaba, and then boom, these will work, right? So I like all this branding, all these images. Right? And so boom, we got the new arrivals. We got all these products, which we can honestly get rid of that grid gallery because we're gonna create our own. All right, so we're gonna come over here back to our dashboard, and we're gonna do products, right? And we're gonna do new product. It's gonna be a physical product. I'm gonna come over here, and once again, I'm gonna go ahead and copy some of this stuff over here, right? So we're gonna create our product. Boom, you got product options, which you do size, and then you can add all the sizes, right? So you could do, let's do 7 through 11, right? And boom, it's easy. Now, before we get out of here, we've got to add some images, right? So we got to come over here just to kind of let everybody know, hey, we got all sizes. And then we're probably going to use another supporting graphic, and then a photo of them in hand is always going to work perfect. Besides our new one, right? And then boom, that's the only thing we have in our store now. So all right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put something like what's hot, okay? And will they let me put an emoji in here? All right, so I'm just going through here, literally just dressing my site up. Okay, I'm gonna add another text block, and I'm gonna just go steal some copy from here. Okay, and I'm gonna save that. All right, and technically my site is up and running. All right, now of course you're gonna want to do, you know, all your privacy policy stuff, all that good stuff at the bottom of your site. Modest Sharks is a website made to show users how easy it is to create. And now we're actually gonna preview our site. Okay, so boom, we see here, we go to shop. All right, boom, we see our product, and then boom, you can read more, which I have all of this here, and you could for sure add to cart and check out if you wanted to. Creating a dropshipping store can be a lot more difficult than even what I just showed you, but what you have to realize is, you know, you have to kind of spend time and make it look like this. I was just showing you how possible it is to do this 100% from scratch, and also to prevent you from having to go spend all that money on dropshipping courses, because I promise you, bro, all the information's already out there. So I have a video where I actually start a dropshipping store as part of a challenge. Meet me in that video, bro. I love y'all. Let's get it.